we ended up with multiple programs to support one product depending on what machine we were running it on. Programming of our CNC equipment was a bottleneck, and we wanted to figure out a way to automate that process, and looking at all the different options, we decided to go with PartMaker.
We make power transmission components, specifically keyless bushings. One of the pleasant surprises that we had is that we didn't have to jump through hoops to get the software to do what we wanted to do. We knew how we wanted to make our parts, and we were able to have PartMaker allow us to still make our parts the way we wanted to. Our machines are Doosan 240 turn mill with single turret, single spindle with live tool. All 5 of the Doosans that we now have run the exact same code interchangeably, which allows us to just have one program directory, one setup sheet directory to maintain rather than 5 of all those things. Before using PartMaker to make a part like this, it could have taken 3 hours. You still had all the changes and adjustments that you'd need to make to the program out at the machine. PartMaker took care of all of those worries, and we can make a program now in about half the time. Since using PartMaker, we've seen drastic improvements in the initial quality of our parts. Our first pieces require much less adjustment and aesthetic improvement than ever before because of the consistency of the tool paths and having a tool library that tells you what the capability of your tools are. PartMaker has definitely made my job easier. The abilities to make adjustments, pick the process that you want to change, and in a matter of minutes you have a revised program. A couple quick clicks, you can have a setup sheet that pulled all the information from your job file. You can put specific information about the tool so that the operators can find the tool fast. I recommend taking advantage of the many training opportunities that PartMaker offers, whether it's at their facility, in-house at your facility, or on the web. They have a friendly, knowledgeable support staff.
It is really the backbone of our process. We don't really know what opportunity we're going to have next week or next month, and this gives us the opportunity to say that programming is not a bottleneck for us. Quoting is not a bottleneck for us. And I feel that we have more creativity using PartMaker than we do a highly skilled person sitting and writing code line by line.
PartMaker has become a part of everyday life here at Fenner Drives in metal products. We had some pretty high hopes, and we were very pleased that our expectations were either met or exceeded through the use of PartMaker software.